When an AI-generated video is executed correctly, it looks like this. You see flawless visual consistency, fluid motion, and pacing that keeps viewers anchored. Most AI faceless videos fail because they lack these specifics. The main character changes every shot, the narration sounds robotic, and the editing feels random. You can fix this by applying a 4-step workflow. We will lock in your character designs, generate expressive audio, and sync your timeline pacing to the exact frame. High production value depends on establishing strict directorial control over the workflow between your AI tools. Step 1 focuses on the audio layer. The voice you choose dictates the mood of the entire video, so the performance needs to be established before you generate a single image. Pasting raw text into a voice generator usually produces a flat, monotonous read. The engine does not automatically know which moments in your script require emphasis. You solve this by using bracketed audio tags to set the emotion and capitalizing specific words to force a shift in pitch. This document shows the correct placement. Insert the bracketed tag right before the phrase it should affect. Use capitalizations sparingly, targeting only the 1 or 2 words per sentence that carry the meaning. Next, adjust your technical parameters. Set the style exaggeration slider to a mid-range level. This adds enough energy to sound human without causing the voice to become erratic or unstable. Directing AI audio is a manual process. You are steering a performance to ensure the output matches your narrative intent. Step 2 is generating your visuals. In this phase, every decision must serve character consistency. Save a precise description of your character into your text model's memory. This prevents the system from generating randomized faces or outfits in subsequent shots. Once the character profile is saved, feed your finalized script back to the model. Ask it to break the script into a scene-by-scene list with specific visual prompts. Use a 6-part framework to translate these descriptions into cinematic shots. Each prompt must define subject, environment, style, camera, lighting, and texture. Vague prompts give the AI too much room to guess. Defining these specific variables forces the engine to follow your exact visual direction. For the final step, upload a reference image of your character alongside your structured prompt. This forces the generator to maintain facial consistency across every shot in your timeline. Visual consistency is the direct result of strict prompt architecture and forced constraints. Step 3 is final assembly. The video editor timeline is where raw assets are organized into a coherent story. A common mistake is leaving imported images at their default 5-second durations. This creates a repetitive slideshow effect that loses viewer interest. You must trim every visual clip so its duration matches the conclusion of the spoken sentence. Follow the audio waveform to find the exact millisecond a phrase ends. As you see the waveform dip into a valley, snap your visual cut directly to that point. If you encounter a long gap in narration, use an AI generator to insert a clip of contextual B-roll. This maintains visual momentum without forcing the viewer to stare at a static frame. Audio-driven cutting creates professional pacing. Every frame aligns with the rhythm of the voice, making the final video feel meticulously crafted. Review the finalized sequence. The character continuity is identical, the vocal mood is intentional, and every cut lands precisely on an audio beat. Locked character details, directed moods, and waveform-matched cuts combine to create a cinematic sequence. This workflow transforms a basic script into a structured asset designed to retain viewers. You can now advance your production by integrating AI motion tools or lip sync software to add another layer of detail to your scenes. This workflow is the foundation for all high-end AI video techniques. Take your script, apply these 4 steps, and start building your first scene.